A very good afternoon to you all. I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in, as the title says, a free course on how to start a recruitment agency. Well, I've got good news for you. In this video, I'm going to just talk you through what I've got coming up in new released videos. So I put together a course and I feel like there's not really a good quality course out there, let alone a free course. So I had the idea of running a course which will probably be about £20, sticking it on Udemy or Skillshare, one of those websites. I can't be bothered, so I'm just going to stick it on YouTube, have it all for free. I don't care. Now, what you're going to see in this is pretty much the step-by-step blueprint in terms of setting up an agency. If you follow everything correctly, you will make money. Whether you're shy, you've never done it before, you've got no skills, you're probably going to be able to do it. Now, that's a pitch, something some people say when they're trying to sell you something. And that did sound like it. You don't need any skills, etc. Skills will be learnt on the way. Now, what you're going to have to do is put effort in. And that's where everyone falls short. So, without selling you the dream, recruitment's changed my life. If you got your finger on the trigger and you're like, oh, I'm going to start it soon, and I've thought about it, this is the time where you've got something to step by step follow through. And enough thinking about it, enough talking about it, the only way you're going to actually know if it's going to work is actually going through it, actually building your website yourself, actually reaching out to clients yourself, messing up loads of things, getting things right. But when those monies hit your account, you are going to be saying, oh, wow, this actually does work. Was it actually that easy? Why did I put it off for so long? And I've got no interest in whether or not you start it or don't. So the upcoming videos are going to be literally a step-by-step. They're going to be in a sense that it's going to be breaking down exactly what you need to do. And you'll feel free to add and change things as you go. I'll be just generally talking. I'll be running through presentations. But really and truly, it's just so I can signpost everyone that says, look, I'm interested in starting an agency, or I've got a few questions. They can literally watch the whole course. It might be a long-winded course. I don't know if it's going to kill the channel. I don't care. But fingers crossed I can help a lot of people start their agency. And that's the main goal for me. Really and truly, I've probably helped, well into the hundreds or if not thousands of people start their agency. And I haven't monetized it and I don't intend to. So, you have any questions, let me know. I really hope you enjoy the course. Coming up, I'll probably be releasing the videos sporadically, randomly, probably quite close together every few days. So I hope you enjoy it, and it will just be a long playlist that anyone can share, anyone can send out. Fingers crossed it helps a lot of people. So take care, and I hope you enjoy.